Hey YouTube fam! Today we're diving into the top 5 secrets to grow your channel in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, these strategies are going to be game changers. We're talking about the kind of growth that takes you from zero to hero, from a couple of views to millions. You guys know I've figured out a few things about YouTube, and trust me, these tips are the real deal. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this bread.
First up, we're talking about consistency, the secret sauce to YouTube success. Imagine this. You walk into a pizza place, the smell hits you, you're drooling, ready to order, and bam, they're closed. That's what it's like when you're not consistent. People show up, they're ready for your content, but you're nowhere to be found. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You wouldn't lay a brick one day, then come back a week later, right? You gotta keep stacking those bricks, day after day, to build something incredible. That's consistency, my friends. It builds trust with your audience. They know when to expect your awesome content, and they keep coming back for more. Now, I'm not saying you need to be uploading 3 times a day, every single day. Find a pace that works for you, whether it's once a week, twice a week, but stick to it like glue. Consistency is about showing up for your audience, rain or shine, and giving them the content they crave. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful YouTube channel. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of consistency. But trust me, when you see that subscriber count skyrocketing and those views rolling in, you'll know it was all worth it.
All right, you're being consistent, you're uploading like a boss, but no one's clicking on your videos? We got to talk about thumbnails and titles. These are your first impressions, your chance to grab attention in a sea of endless content. Think of it like this. You're at a party trying to stand out from the crowd. You wouldn't wear a boring old potato sack, right? You got to bring the energy, the excitement, the oh my god, I need to talk to this person vibes. That's what your thumbnails and titles should be doing. Your thumbnail is like the cover of a book. It's got to be eye-catching, intriguing, and make people want to know more. Bright colors, bold fonts, and an element of mystery can work wonders. And your title? That's your headline, your chance to make a promise, to create curiosity, to get people clicking. Don't be afraid to be a little bold, a little daring. Use strong verbs, numbers. Everyone loves a good list, and tease the value your viewers will get from watching. But here's the key. Don't overpromise and underdeliver. There's a fine line between clickbait and straight-up deception. Make sure your thumbnail and title accurately reflect what your video is about. The last thing you want to do is trick people into clicking, only to have them bounce right off because they feel misled. Remember, we're playing the long game here. We want viewers who stick around, who engage with our content, and who become part of our awesome community.
Chapter 3. YouTube Shorts, your ticket to viral fame. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts, the hottest thing since sliced bread in the YouTube world. These bite-sized videos are like little bursts of awesome, perfect for grabbing attention and racking up those views. Think of Shorts as your YouTube highlight reel, showcasing the best, funniest, most engaging snippets of your content. They're quick, they're snappy, and they have the potential to go viral like wildfire. Now, you might be thinking, but Mr. Beast, my channel isn't about short-form content, and that's okay. You can still leverage the power of Shorts to drive traffic to your long-form videos. Think of Shorts as teasers, trailers for the main event. Create short, attention-grabbing clips that leave viewers wanting more, and then direct them to your full video in the comments or using YouTube's linking features. Shorts are all about creativity and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things, to get weird, to have fun. The beauty of Shorts is that they're short. You don't need to spend hours editing and perfecting a single video. Just grab your phone, film something fun, and hit upload. The more you create, the more chances you have of going viral and reaching a whole new audience.
Chapter 4. 2 heads are better than 1. Collaborating for YouTube domination. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. And that couldn't be truer in the YouTube world. Collaborating with other creators is like unlocking a secret level in a video game. You get access to new audiences, fresh perspectives, and a whole lot of fun along the way. Think about it. Your viewers are awesome, but wouldn't it be amazing to tap into another creator's audience? To introduce your content to a whole new group of potential fans? That's the power of collaboration. Reach out to creators in your niche, people whose content aligns with yours, and brainstorm some epic video ideas. You could do a collab where you switch places for a day, try each other's products or challenges, or even just have a casual chat about your favorite things. The possibilities are endless. And the best part, collaborations are mutually beneficial. You're both promoting each other's channels, cross-pollinating your audiences, and growing your reach exponentially. It's a win-win situation. So don't be shy. Reach out to your fellow YouTubers and start collaborating. You never know what kind of amazing content you'll create together.
Chapter 5, the SEO secret weapon, optimizing descriptions and tags for maximum visibility. Alright, you're creating killer content, you're consistent, you're collaborating, but something's still missing. People need to be able to find your videos. That's where the magic of SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about making sure your videos show up when people search for topics related to your content. Think of it like this. YouTube is a massive library, and your videos are the books. SEO is like putting the right labels and categories on your books so people can easily find them on the shelves. One of the most important aspects of SEO is optimizing your video descriptions and tags. Your description is like a mini blog post for your video, giving viewers a quick overview of what it's about. Use relevant keywords, tell a compelling story, and include links to your other social media channels and websites. And don't forget about tags. Tags are like keywords that help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags that accurately reflect your content. For example, if you're making a video about the best skincare routine, you might use tags like skincare routine, best skincare products, sophisticated skin, and glowing skin. You get the idea. By optimizing your descriptions and tags, you're making it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand what your video is about and recommend it to the right people.
That's it for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's crush it on YouTube in 2024 together. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, when you see your channel grow, connect with your audience, and achieve your YouTube dreams, it'll all be worth it. Now go out there, create awesome content, and show the world what you're made of.